Hey everybody, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So today is Monday, March the 29th, and it's about 11:30. I just got back in from Walmart. And child, when I say try to get out and get to your closest Walmart, they are running a magnificent clearance for kids. If you got to buy it a size or two size bigger for next winter, I suggest, that's what you do, unless you can find the sizes that the child is wearing. But anyway, let's get into it. And if you're new to the channel, thank you, and welcome back, fabulous family. And if you just come across my channel and want to know what my channel is about, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And today is Walmart Wednesday. So I found these leggings. Look how pretty. It's got like the unicorn, the space, the moon, Saturn, the rocket. $1. Everything I'm about to show you in this little mini haul, this first segment was $1, and I found this in a size 7/8. Now, Truly Bear wears a 4/5, but to reiterate, I got it bigger, so by perhaps Christmas time, she'll be in it. And believe it or not, she is only 2 wearing a size 4/5. So I'm assuming, probably by Christmas she'll be like a 5, 6X. But nevertheless, I do like to buy, past season. All right, so to get into these, I got these in pink. And these are size 14/16. Now, I got the 14/16 for my niece, Christina. And then I found another 7/8 for Truly Bear. She may not be able to get into them right now, but I picked them up, all $1. And I got a 14/16 too for Ariana, because I couldn't find the 16/18. So on a cool summer evening when we're sitting outside, she can run and put these on, I found a 6X for Truly in the red and white. Ain't that pretty? Got these for her. And the next batch is the navy blue. This is 6X, this is really going to probably be her size around December. All right, so the next set in blue again, size 14/16, and I had to get another. So I got 2 14/16s, one for Ariana, one for my niece, and then they had the blue 14/16, all $1. This was the only size, the only color that I can find in the, it says XX large, so 2X in a size 18. Now, Ariana's not that big, but she's very tall, so you see how long these are? So that's why I always try to get like an 18 for her now. And then I did find for Truly Bear, 6X. So they all got the same color. Okay, and then riding around Walmart, they had these fabulous shirts. And this is the long sleeve, really, thin. Now that does say $2, but when I use the scanner on my phone, it does come up as $1. So I got that in the 18. She got the long sleeve navy blue, and like that periwinkle fuchsia pink, and then in the lavender. So like I said, this is just something for her to run around in the house, because I do keep the air on, in the summer, and it is cold. Or, she can use it for little ins and outs on the weekend, back to school. Next, I'm trying to get the bag open. Now, I got these. I don't know where my scissors are at. Hold on, because I took it over to storage, and I wasn't going to do a video on it. But then, after I found those sets today. I said, well, let me go over to storage and get these out. Now this, I'm not sure if they have these out. You may have to check your Walmart. But the next up, I found lovely PJs, and Ariana is into the mermaid theme right now. So and these are so nice and soft, and these are a size 18, originally $9.97, and guess how much I paid for? $3. $3. So what you're about to see now, mostly everything is $3 and $2 pajamas. Unheard of, right? Next is the unicorn set with the long sleeves again, and then the pretty pastel colors on the pants. A size 18, $3. And then I started coming across the nightgowns, and this is size 18, and these were $2. So I thought that was really, really cute. I'm not done. I got a whole bag down here, so give me a second, because I kept them all on hangers. So I'm just going to pull them out. So I found this red and white unicorn. It's kind of like Christmas. So I'll be saving these for them. That was in an 18, and that was $2. I found one for Truly Bear in the 6XX, and $2. Let's see. Another pajama, just the nightgown with the unicorn. These are really nice and soft too. And these were $2. And then I thought this was so cute for Truly Bear. It's got like the believe in unicorns, it says believe in unicorns, with the smiley face, and then they have the smiley face pants. And this set was $3, and I got that in a 6XX. Let's see, size 18. This is the mermaid again. Then it has like the design on the back, and $2 for this set. I thought this was really, really nice. The sequence mermaid. I bought every single style that they have. As you can see, I still have a lot to show you. A couple more things. I'm trying to just get them all out the bag. All right, the next one. These are the size 14, 16. I believe these were $2. But what I'm showing you now, this is for my niece in Jersey. Yeah, all these are hers that are coming up. I think I got her 5 pairs. The unicorn. Some of the girls, some of them have matching pajamas. Some I couldn't find in their sizes. So I just grabbed all the big sizes. And I thought that was pretty. My niece will like that. That one. And all the nightgowns, they're all $2. Now this one is Ariana's. This is an 18. I thought she would like that one with the watermelon on the back. Isn't it adorable? And then I found they only had this in the Truly Bear size. So she got the little penguin and then the buffalo check in the back and on the arms. And $2. Okay, whose is this one? Size 6X. So her and Ariana got the same one. Same PJs. And oh yeah, and then I found one for my niece in the 14-16. So they'll have all matching pajamas when we get together this summer. I'm hoping my sister lets my niece come so we can have a pajama party. And this one is Truly Bears. I believe, no, this is the cat one. I don't think Ariana got this one. And Truly Bear again, I think one of them got the same. That one. And then I got a size 18 and a 14-16. So Ariana and my niece will have the panda with the hearts on the back. You know, because you know how kids, when they get, oh, why did she get that one, Danny? Or why did she get that one, Auntie? You know, I liked that one. So when I do go out and buy and I find great deals, I always try to, you know, make sure each one gets the same design if I can find it in their size. So I don't have the receipt. I put the receipt away. But, you know, I think I paid maybe $20 for the nightgowns, and the first segment that you seen with the leggings and the t-shirts, I only paid $13. So I got a bucket full of clothes, nightgowns for them, and this will be going in the girls' room once we move, hanged up right in the closet. So when they come for the summer, they will have brand new PJs. And if the 6X and the 7-8 are too big for Truly, they will get wrapped up and be for her for Christmas. So once again, get to Walmart if y'all can. Hopefully you'll be able to find some of these deals that are still going on. Please excuse the back of, you know, my background, because I've been packing and just cleaning out. But that's why I have not been online for a couple, I guess about 2 weeks right now, because I've been trying to, you know, do what I can during the day and getting that over to storage, because I just found out that I do have some form of fibromyalgia, and those that have fibromyalgia, you understand what type of pain that we go through on a daily basis. So make sure to leave me a lovely comment. Let me know if you were able to get over to your Walmart and find some of these fabulous deals that they have going on right now for a little girl or a young lady in your life. It could be, you know, your cousin that you may know that has a daughter, and pick them, you know, text her while you're in the store, ask the size, and say, hey, how many do you want? CashApp me, you know, $5 or $10 or whatever I can find. Get it as a gift, put it up, and wrap it up for Christmas. So, once again, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another Walmart Wednesday. Bye-bye.